Hello again. Okay, so we're going to talk about major prep. So your main source of information that's accessible online, or your first place that you're going to go, would probably be assist.org. And let's just practice using assist.org. And so it's really easy to find. All you have to do is type in assist.org and it will take you right there in your web browser. So if it has some tutorials in here, if you want some tutorials on how to navigate the website, they're here. Frequently asked questions, right here. And let's say we want to look for major prep courses for a particular school. So let's choose the institution. So we're going to start with the institution that we're transferring from. And so that would be Los Angeles Harbor College. If you've attended more than one community college, you'll want to check for those courses that you've taken at that college as well. And then we're going to look for agreements with other institutions. So let's look at Dominguez Hills, for example. And then we're going to click on View Agreements. And of course, we always want to do this for the current academic year. So it will default to the current academic year. And let's choose a major. So let's look at business administration, and we're going to look at the general. So Dominguez Hills, and you'll find here that they have a lot of different concentrations for business administration. We're going to go with the general business concentration for our purposes today. And so we're going to click View Agreement. And it will give you a PDF of it, so you can download the entire agreement. It's a good idea to read the program notes and the general information. And so here it actually does say this program does not accept courses in the major that have been completed more than 10 years. So more than 10 years ago. So as you can see, it's a good idea to read the program notes, check with an advisor from the counseling department, check with an advisor from the university. And it also does stipulate that all lower division courses required for this major must be completed with a grade of C or better. And then here are the lower division core courses, or your major prep, your articulation agreement for business administration at Cal State Dominguez Hills. So at the very left-hand side, these are the courses that are required for this major at Dominguez Hills. So here is ACC 230, Financial Accounting 3-unit course. That's if you were to take it at Dominguez Hills. So students who transferred to Dominguez Hills as freshmen and majored in business administration will be taking this course. But you are going in as a transfer student. So students who are like in their sophomore year at Dominguez Hills, the second year, would be taking this accounting course. But you're a transfer student. You're transferring at the junior level. And so that's why the universities would like to see you having completed these courses prior to transfer, because you will be transferring in as a junior. Okay, so at the right-hand side, you have the equivalent courses at Harbor College that will meet this course requirement. So at Harbor College, it's Accounting 1. If you're a business admin major at Harbor College and you want to get an associate's degree in business administration, of course, you're going to be taking this class because it's required for the major. So for your associate's degree and for your major prep for transfer, you do have to have a C in that class. They give you some alternatives here. So if you see 3 courses here listed, don't freak out. It doesn't mean that you have to take all 3 of these courses to count for this one ACC 230 course at Dominguez Hills, because it says right here, or. So it's Accounting 1 or Accounting 21 and Accounting 22. And then, in addition, they want Accounting 2, Computer Information Systems 101, Economics 1, and Economics 2. In addition, Business 5. And so again, meet with your counselor, let them know, I want to go to Dominguez Hills, I plan to apply to Dominguez Hills, I want to get an associate's degree in business admin, and I want to transfer to Dominguez Hills in business admin, and that's going to help the counselor help you build a plan that is going to get you there as quickly as possible. In addition, they have a prerequisite requirement for math, which is Math 227 or Math 227S. And remember, these agreements change every year. So if you want to get a business administration major at Harbor College, you can take Stat 1, and we will award the associate's degree. But if you want to transfer to Dominguez Hills as a business admin major, they are asking for Math 227. They're both statistics courses, but they're not articulated the same way. So again, that's why I stress to check in with a counselor every semester to review your ed plan, especially if you change your goals for your associate's degree or for transfer, because these agreements change every year. Let's take a look at, let's look at a different university, but the same major, and let's see how it changes. So we're going to leave it at Harbor College, but we're going to look for Cal State University, Long Beach. Okay, so you will find this sometimes where they don't have anything listed. And so it says, please refer to the entries for the individual options for specific major preparation. And this is end of agreement. So we don't stop there. And so, again, this is why you want to meet with a counselor. Because let's say we go to the Cal State Long Beach website. And usually what I do is I just type in major specific criteria in the search bar. And fall 2021 major specific requirements for transfer students. Okay. So this is what I will do. And let's look at College of Business. So they have it separated by colleges. And so they're giving you lots of information here because Cal State Long Beach is a highly impacted university, and business administration is a highly impacted major. It's very, very popular and sought after major at Cal State Long Beach. So if you notice here, with the ADT, you'll get a cumulative GPA increase of 0.1%. So you get a little bit of a GPA bump by completing the associate's degree for transfer. And so here they say to be considered for this major, you need a minimum GPA of 2.5. Now remember in my last video I said the minimum to get into a Cal State is 2.0. But at Cal State Long Beach, to get into a business admin major, the minimum is 2.5. And it's competitive, so you're in competition with other students. So that's the minimum, but it may not be competitive, depending on the pool of applicants. And then all of your minimum lower division prep needs to be completed with a grade of C or better. And so their majors, they want Economics 1 and 2, Business Calculus, Accounting 1 and 2, Of course, your written communication, oral communication, and your critical thinking requirement, which are part of your general education plan, the Golden Four. And then down here, so they want a computer class and a statistics class, and they want to see that you've completed the CSU graduation requirements in American institutions. So here we would plan to take the Computer Information Systems class 101 just like we would plan for Dominguez, and it also counts towards your associate's degree. And again, we would plan to take statistics, Math 227, because we know that Dominguez wants Math 227 and Cal State Long Beach wants a statistics course. And in addition, we would make sure that we took an American history and a political science class because we're looking at the major prep for Cal State Long Beach. So it's very similar to what we saw for Dominguez with a couple of additional courses. So let's look at the Los Angeles Harbor College website. And I'm going to click on Current Students. And I'm going to go to the Transfer Center. So there's lots of helpful information here. You can make appointments with the counselors in the Transfer Center. You can make appointments to talk with university representatives, so check the Transfer Center's calendar. And there's resources here for just transfer in general, CSU, UC, UCLA CCP, which is a great program if you're interested in applying to UCLA or any UC in particular. It's a fantastic program and it really does help make you more competitive as a student applying to UCLA or any UC. Private out-of-state universities, transfer guarantee programs, which the ADT is considered a transfer guarantee program, but the UC system also has a transfer guarantee program. Not all of the UCs participate in it, and it is called the UC TAG. And so if you're interested in the UC system, it's a great idea to start looking into the TAG program to see if the school that you want to apply to accepts UC TAG. And then you need to check, and a counselor can assist you with this, to figure out what the TAG requirements for your major and that particular university are, so you can plan to apply as a TAG student. And articulation agreements. So private and out of state, they have articulation agreements as well. And if we want to look at the, oops, I did not mean to minimize that window. So here, for example, is the USC requirements and the transfer planning guide for USC, the admissions guide for Loyola Marymount, California University. There's some transfer admissions for other private California universities, our HBCUs. And the articulation agreements are listed here for some of them as well. The website for Dillard is listed, the articulation agreement for Fort Valley State, for example, and the out-of-state universities. And some of these do have transfer guarantee programs as well, like Arizona State University. So you can find information about the articulation agreement for the private universities here on the Transfer Center's website. Okay, and Screencast-O-Matic is going to kick me out in less than a minute. So I hope this quick rundown was helpful in understanding major prep, what it is. It's also referred to as an articulation agreement, why it's important, why you want to know what the major prep is, how it factors into your educational plan, and of course, if you take nothing else away, then just make sure you check in with a counselor every semester to make sure you're still following the classes that you need to meet the transfer requirements for your major.